Good morning, my dear children. Today I am here again to teach you the subject English 2. So open your English 2 book, page number 24. Today we will be starting a new chapter, chapter 4, and the chapter name is Grandma's Vegetable Garden. Grandma's Vegetable Garden. So grandma means grandmother. Grandma's Vegetable Garden. Okay. One day, Grandma tells Asha, "Please bring some vegetables from the garden." One day, Grandma tells Asha, "Please bring some vegetables from the garden." Now let's see in this picture. We see two persons, no? So she is grandma, okay, and she is Asha. Grandma and Asha, okay. So one day grandma tells Asha. So grandma tells Asha, "Please bring some vegetables from the garden." Grandma tells to Asha, "Please bring some vegetables from the garden." So garden, okay. Asha takes a big basket and goes out. Asha takes a big basket and goes out. So now Asha, what she did? She took a big basket and goes out. She brings green peas and purple brinjals. What did she bring? She brings green peas and purple brinjals. As you can see in this picture, what did she bring? She brings the green peas and purple brinjals, okay, from the garden. Grandma says, "Thank you, Asha. Can you please bring some carrots? We can have some hot soup." Now again, what grandma is telling her? To bring some carrots, okay, for making a hot soup. Now again grandma tells Asha to bring some carrots so that grandma can make a soup, okay. Asha goes out. She again goes to the garden. She looks everywhere. She looks everywhere. She cannot see any carrots. She cannot see any carrots. Now when she went to the garden, she looked everywhere. Okay, here, there, everywhere she looked, but she did not find any carrot. Okay, she did not find carrot. Asha goes to grandma. She says, "I cannot find any carrots in the garden." Again she went back to grandma and tells her that she could not find any carrots in the garden. Grandma says, "There are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully." Grandma says, "There are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully." Now what is grandma telling Asha? That there are many carrot plants. You have to look carefully. What did grandma tells Asha? That there are many carrot plants, but Asha have to look carefully. Asha goes to the garden again. Asha goes to the garden again. Fluffy, her cat, goes with her. Asha looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrots. Now again Asha, she went back to the garden. Okay, she went back to the garden with her cat Fluffy. What is the name of the cat? Fluffy. Fluffy, Fluffy. Okay, Fluffy is the name of this cat. Okay, and Asha took cat with her in the garden. She looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrot. Again She looks everywhere, but she could not find any carrots. Suddenly, she hears a loud meow meow. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. She goes close to Fluffy. Now, when she was searching carrot in the garden, suddenly what did she hear? She heard a sound meow meow. It means this cat is making a sound meow meow. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. And when she hears the sound, she sees that her cat named Fluffy is digging the ground. Okay? See? The cat is digging the ground. No? And she goes close to her. She goes close to Fluffy when she hears that sound. And what did she see? She sees big orange carrots in the ground. She sees big orange carrots in the ground. Well done, Fluffy, says Asha happily. And when she goes close to the Fluffy, she saw carrot. Okay, she sees a carrot, and when she sees a carrot, she collected the carrot, and at last she thanks Fluffy because with the help of Fluffy she was able to find carrot. Okay, and after collecting the carrot, she went back to grandma's and gave again the carrot. Okay, so this chapter is completed and is very simple, and what we understood from this chapter is that there is a grandma and a girl named Asha. Grandma tells her to bring some vegetables from the garden. Okay, and she brings green peas and purple brinjals at first, and again grandma tells her to go back to the garden again and bring carrot. But next time when she goes to bring carrot, she could not find the carrot in the garden, and grandma tells her again to look carefully, there are many carrots planted. And the next time when she went to the garden, she took her cat Fluffy with her, and with the help of Fluffy she was able to find a carrot. And she said thank you to Fluffy, and she was very happy after getting a carrot. Okay, so the chapter is completed. I hope you have understood it. So for today only this much. Thank you.